So here's the deal: leaks out of Chinese social media are flooding in, and early hands-on photos are giving us a very promising first look. The OnePlus 13T is rocking a super slim profile at just 71.7mm wide. For context, that's about the same width as the upcoming iPhone 16e. Compare that to the regular OnePlus 13, which is beefier at 76.5mm, and yeah, you can see and feel the difference. It's that Goldilocks zone of smartphone sizing, not too big, not too small, just right. And get this, it's launching with MagSafe-style magnetic cases. Yep, OnePlus is finally joining the magnet party. No more fumbling to stick your phone on a charger or car mount. Just slap it on. Boom, done. Practicality win. Now let's talk cameras. OnePlus confirmed it's packing the 50MP sensors, a Sony IMX906 for the main, and a telephoto lens with clean to X optical zoom, no ultra-wide, which is a bit of a bummer, but you do get for X lossless zoom, AI-powered portrait magic, and sharp, shadow-free shots. Basically, your Instagram game just leveled up. But the part that really made me go, wait, what? The battery. This sleek little device is hiding a massive 6,260 mAh battery inside, and yet it only weighs 185 grams. Most flagships can't even break the 5,000 mAh ceiling without turning into bricks. And performance? It's a beast. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite, up to 16GB RAM, 1TB UFS 4.0 storage, and Android 15 out of the box, or ColorOS 15 in China. It even popped up on Antutu with a jaw-dropping score of over 3 million. Translation: this thing absolutely flies. Display-wise, you're getting a 6.31 flat OLED, 1.5K resolution, 120Hz refresh, super smooth, super sharp. The flat metal frame and no-nonsense glass back give it that clean, modern aesthetic. Oh, and it comes in morning mist gray, cloud ink black, and the very poetic heart-beating pink. Your phone, your vibe, only let down the IP65 water and dust resistance. Come on, OnePlus, at least give us IP68. But hey, this is all pre-launch info, so maybe that'll change by April 24th when it officially drops in China. So here's the real question: will it actually launch globally? Because if it does, this could be the compact Android flagship we've been waiting for. If you're hyped about the OnePlus 13T, smash that subscribe button, drop a comment with your favorite feature, and don't forget to check out our latest videos on upcoming flagships and camera comparisons linked right up here on the end screen. Catch you in the next one.